we're still working on our interior. We're gonna reupholster our headliner, so let's get started. Our headliner, it's nasty and I don't like the color of it. The first thing we're gonna do is remove these visors. The rear view mirror just kind of pops out, and it looks like there's 3 more Phillips heads for those. Pop all these bolts out. We're gonna go work on the other side. These things are pretty nasty and crusty, so yeah, let's toss them. This side was missing these 2 brackets, so we only have these back ones to take out. Now we just have these 4 plastic caps here we gotta pop off, and I think we should be home free. These I just twisted and they kind of pop down. These little caps here are supposed to just spin out. They're so old that they're not really coming out the way they're supposed to. We'll have to source some new little plastic pieces. There they go. Alright, first things first, we're gonna cut our fabric to size here. Once we got it cut to size, we're gonna flip over one side of this and put on some of this 3M adhesive. Once you got it all laid out, you're gonna flip it and then cut off the axis.
Alrighty.
I'm just gonna get some more of the glue, go around, just fold over all the edges. Once we have the edges folded over, we're just gonna go cut out all the holes. Probably put some more glue around wherever we're cutting, fold over what we cut off, and then we're putting it back in. This is the last of the wiring from the GC. This is for the dome light. I'm gonna go ahead and take that one out and put in this one from the 05, which has a front dome light, a middle dome light, some kind of digitalized mirror that I might put up for the rear view mirror. I haven't decided yet. The GC officially has none of the original wiring, and it has all of the 05 STI wiring. There's the GC one, and here's the GD one, so they're pretty similar. Looks like they have the same bolt holes, so we should be good with that. We'd probably have to cut a pretty decent sized hole to use this. Yeah, wow, pretty satisfied with how this turned out. Let's get our finishing touches put in here. Dome light, that's nice. Alright, there it is. It's the first time I've ever done a headliner, but I think it turned out pretty good. Definitely satisfied with that. As always, I hope you guys learned something. I know I did. We'll see you next time. Peace out.